Hey guys, welcome back to 330 West Roy Street in Uptown. This time, it's officially renamed Uptown and not Lower Queen Anne. This building is awesome with its architecture, mid-century modern. You're gonna love the unit, which holds a lot of the mid-century modern feeling still, but it's been recently updated. A masterful kitchen, updated bathroom. It's quite wonderful. But I'm gonna spend a second here first because this is a very large park-like setting that you have as a patio here that you walk through to get to your front door. Views, urban views as I'll call it, of the Puget Sound, Elliot Bay. And you're gonna have that from your kitchen, or I'm sorry, from your dining room and from your living room. Another thing about this patio is that it has automatic drip irrigation throughout. So it's maintenance free, just enjoy it. And let's go and check out the inside. So when you enter into this almost 900 square foot condo, you're going to see how spacious it is. It's got an excellent floor plan. First, I want to point out, right when you walk in, to your right is the living room. This living room, one of the two rooms with a large window that looks out onto your patio and then the urban Elliot Bay views. But it also has over here a mid-century modern fireplace that's true to this building. Same stonework as the exterior and a true beautiful mantle that you can sit on, enjoy records, enjoy a glass of wine. Over here, on this side of the entry, we have a legitimate dining room that's large. It's got a console table for the staging right now, but you can easily fit a hutch there. The owners had a large mahogany hutch right here where I'm standing. It was gorgeous. And this is a large dining room. In condos, you usually don't even get a dining room, but this one, a large one, with, again, patio and then urban water views. Over here is the recently remodeled masterpiece of a kitchen. We have limestone counters. We have a large assortment of drawers. These are extra deep cabinets over here. So not only are they very efficient drawer system, but they're also extra deep for more storage. We have a microwave hidden behind this in this little pantry cabinet. All stainless steel appliances, including the microwave and the Fisher & Paykel fridge. Gas range with exhaust. Another thing that you rarely see in condos these days and here in Seattle. Continuing on over here, one thing I'll add is that this unit has a lot of storage. Every home in Seattle should have a coat closet for how much the weather changes here. For some reason we don't. This place has a coat closet. Continuing down, this is one of my favorite transition rooms. We have entry to the bedroom suite right there. And then here is the bathroom, which we'll check out in just a little bit. But first, this transition room is really wide. It's got storage, and this is where the owner and someone that he leased this out to, they had their workstation here. So this is an excellent place for an office. So the bathroom has a dual vanity setup with two medicine cabinets as well. We have Toto toilet, we've got rain shower head, and beautiful porcelain tiles with a niche built in. So before we head into the bedroom, I want to go ahead and say that we've been walking over oak this entire time. From the entry, through the kitchen, and through the bedroom and the walk-through closet. The only place with ceramic tile is in the bathroom. Entering in this room now, before you get to the bedroom, this is the beginning of the bedroom suite. We have a large walk-through closet with an amazing assortment of wardrobes and closets. And then you get into the bedroom. This is where your Bosch washer and dryer live. Then you have another closet in here, and then a large room. Staged with a queen size, fits a king. One thing about this bedroom and every room in this, including the transition room, is part of your homeowner dues is hot water for your hydronic heating system. So throughout this entire unit, we have hot water, hydronic heating. And that's gonna come through the baseboard radiators, again, in every room in this home. So not only do we have this amazing fully remodeled, like studs out remodel condo with all new electrical switches, lights, even the wall itself, the drywall. But we have this, again, this amazing patio that you're welcome to or that you walk through to leave the home every day through your mid-century modern breezeway. And then right onto the street, we are a block away from Uptown's main drag. So, I mean, this is such an amazing and walkable neighborhood. We have, within only a few minutes walk, if you want to go shopping at Metropolitan Market, they have amazing cookies there. Or we have a Safeway equal distance, actually a tiny bit closer. We have all the boutique restaurants and bars and shops that Uptown has always had, but we also have a lot of redeveloping, a lot of new shops coming in. And of course, Climate Pledge Arena and the Seattle Center all around it. That has Pacific Science Center, MoPop, Museum of Pop Culture, the IMAX Theater, and waterfront parks like Myrtle Edwards Park, the Sculpture Park, Cary Park, and of course, Kinnear Park. So as always, come check out any of our Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday open houses, or contact us directly and we'll give you a private showing anytime.